Yeah. So good morning everyone and welcome to today's session of Rebel with William O'Neill India, dated January 23, 2024. So before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASIL and certification of NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security market subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So without taking a much time, let's start with the Nifty chart analysis. As yesterday was a market holiday, Saturday market was open, and as you can see on Saturday, Nifty had more of a muted opening. After that, it moved higher, and then it reversed from there and kind of formed a bearish candle, as you can see, and breached its 21 DMA. But the volumes on Saturday was very low, and hence as you can see, no distribution day was added as the fall was more than 0.2%, but still distribution day count continues to remain as 4, as one distribution day count was added last week, but one distribution got day got expired as well. Going forward, if further distribution gets added and key moving averages gets breached, then we may have to downgrade the market status from confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. However, if going forward, if previous highs gets reclaimed, then markets will come back to momentum. Going forward, as you can see, I mean, budget expectations and how the budget will play out will probably turn out to be a major key going forward before the general elections for the market sentiments going forward. Talking about key news, ICICI Bank's PAT beat estimates. Q3 FY24 NI grew 13.5% YOY to 18,679 crores. PAT increased 23.6% YOY, 10,272 crores. And NPA increased 1 bps QQ to 0.44%. IDFC First Bank's PAT missed estimates. Q3 FY24 NII grew 30.5% YOY to rupees 4,286.6 crores. PAT increased 18.4% YOY to 715.7 crores. NNPA remained flat QOQ to 0.6%. Union Bank's Q3 FY24 NII grew 6.3% YOY to 9,168 crores. PAT increased 59.9% YOY to 3,589.9 crores, and NPA declined 22 bps QOQ to 1.08%. Uh, Tata Motors to increase prices by 0.7% on an average across all its passenger vehicles portfolio, including EVs, starting from February 1. Results that are expected today are Axis Bank, Havells, Indus Tower, JSW Energy, Granules, Karnataka Bank, and Route Mobile, among others. Talking about global market update, if we talk about yesterday's market, all the three US market indices closed higher. Dow Jones closed higher by 0.4%, S&P 500 by 0.2%, and Nasdaq by 0.3%. Asian markets barring Shanghai, the other two indices are trading higher. Nikkei trading higher by 0.9%, Kospi by 0.6%, and Shanghai trading lower by 0.1%. GIFT 50 is indicating a positive opening, a huge gap of opening of around 150 to 200 points compared to Saturday's close, and is trading around 21,779. Yesterday, Saturday's close around 21,571. Talking about the chart of the day, the chart of the day for us is Nucleus Software. As you can see, the stock is forming a consolidation base, and the stock is moving on the right hand side of the base with some accumulation. However, on Saturday it did try to break out, but the breakout was a failed one. Let's hope if the stock can re-break out. Overall, the ratings for the stock continues to remain very strong. As you can see, EPS strength of 92, price strength of 91, buyer demand plus. Which good is that even the RS line has started to move higher, which is a very, very good sign. Even fund holding for the stock is increasing very, very well. 25% growth quarter on quarter for fund holding remains very good. Return on equity of 22% is also very good. And as you can see, results for the stock for the last 4 to 5 quarters have been very good. And going forward, if the stock re-breaks out, and if it re-breaks out on above average volume, it can be a very good one. As you can see from the prior three bases, this being the stage three consolidation base. From the stage one base, you can see the stock had power to pivot and it rallied very strongly. After that, too, it hit a power to pivot and it rallied very strongly. And here, as you can see, there was some undercutting happen. When the undercut happened, the stage count got reset, and sorry, and that is why this becomes the stage one base, and this becomes a stage two base. And even from the previous breakout, as you can see, the stock hit power to pivot. So most of the times when the stock broke out, the stock has hit in power to pivot, which is a very, very, very good sign. And going forward as well, if the stock breaks out and then there is a good accumulation after that, uh, because post breakout, as you can see, the stock tends to show a good sign of accumulation. If that again happens, then it can be a very good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from our side. And stay tuned to the space of Rebel with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 p.m. Another announcement that today there is a special webinar featuring Mayuresh Joshi and Pankaj Lad at 4:30 p.m. today. Thank you.